iCity Power ivulele Umculi icala emaphoyiseni aseDouglasdale. Twala usola ngokushaya isisebenzi seCity Power lebekade silungisa igesi ngaphandle kwasekhaya lakhe. Ngekusho kwalesikhungo bomakhelwane kudzingeka ukuthi bangenele kusita lesisebenzi.
I can confirm that our team was threatened by a resident in Randburg area, and we were forced to actually pull out. We were there to attend to a cable fault that was reported by the community in the area, but one of the residents basically pulled out a gun on our technicians and threatened to shoot them. And we were forced to basically, for safety reasons, pull out of the area, and we opened the case against the resident and he was arrested.
Leli cala lihlehlisiwe ngemva kwekuvela kafishane kwakhe enkhantolo.
We can confirm as the NPA that Enerst Chicco, also famously known as Chicco Thwala, appeared facing charges of pointing something that resembles a firearm as well as common assault. The incident happened on the 1st of May 2022, and he was arrested the following day, the 2nd of May 2022.
Leli cala lihlehlisiwe kude kube ngumhla ka-26 enyangeni yengci njengoba kusaphenywa.